You're going to school tomorrow, di ba? What will you say to your friends? What will you say to your friends? Huh? What will you say to your friends? Huh? What will you say to Teacher Josie?
Teacher Josie.
What will you say? What's that? Are you going to say that? Huh? Oh. Are you going to say that to Teacher Josie? Oh. Say hi. Say hi to Teacher Josie. Oh.
Hi.
And then, what will you do tomorrow? Are you going to cry?
No.
Are you going to cry? How to cry? What's the meow, meow, meow. How to cry? Show me how to cry. Is that how you cry?
Sleeping.
How about sleeping? You're
Oh.
going to sleep tomorrow there.
No. Shoulder.
Sia. Sia, look at here.
Look at here. Oh, show how you will sleep.
How to sleep? You're going to sleep tomorrow. How to sleep? Is that how you sleep?